Subscribe to Dump Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Dope here with another video, and today we're gonna be doing something a little bit special. Today we're actually not gonna be working on my truck. We got this badass fucking mamalona over here today. We got the boy Edgar's truck pulling up today because we're getting rid of these ugly ass headlights that he has. Nobody likes these amber lights, so we got him some custom headlights. We're about to pop them out of the box. Here's your boy right here, the owner of the truck, freshly new Bulls member. He recently swapped his truck too. V6, now it's a V8, cammed too. God damn, I want to cam my truck one day. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the new headlights. We're also gonna be putting on these new LEDs and these resistors. Go ahead and show you guys the headlights real quick. Show you guys the difference. Damn, check those out. All chrome. No amber. Put them next to this one. That way they can kind of just see the difference. Look at that. Hell yeah. We're also going to be installing these switchbacks. If you guys don't know what switchbacks are, they're pretty much white when your truck is on, and when you turn on your turn signal, they turn amber. And then we got the LEDs to go with it. We'll show you guys how to do all this install. Same with installing the headlights on the truck. And if you guys are interested in any of these products, I'll have the links down in the description. I'll also have a 10% discount code for these headlights that come with the LEDs. So we're gonna go ahead and start popping the hood so we can get everything removed and get the new headlight in. So our boy Edgar's gonna show us over here, since he's the one who has done this before. You know me, I've only worked on my truck. So what's the first thing we gotta do?
First we gotta take these screws off and take this off. So we gotta take the whole grill off to make sure they pop off because they're locked behind the grill.
Okay, so we gotta remove the whole grill. Alright guys, so we got this screw up here and then this one down here, and they're all size 10. Okay guys, and then we're just gonna pop these safety clips up, apply head. Got that off. We got the two screws on this side off, this one and this one. Alright, what's next? And how does that come off? So 4 10mm screws as well, and then those retainer clips on there.
2, 3.
Cool. That's definitely different from mine. Mine's all just retainer clips.
Yeah.
For the grill.
No screws at all?
No. Show the people the clips you're talking about. These ones, yeah. Okay, so you gotta pop all these off if you don't want to break them. But you use some tweezers and just push them down?
Yeah, push them down and then pull.
But if you're savage, you can just pull it.
Yank that.
Just yank it. Alright, what's next? What we got? Alright guys, so you also have to remove this 10 mil that attaches to this part of the bracket of the headlight. You can usually just reach back here to do it. If you have your wheel well cover, just pull it back a little bit. You'll be able to get access to this one. But yeah, you can either remove it so you don't have to put it back on later, or just loosen it a little bit so where it slides off.
Yep. Just clip.
Oh, the clip for the harness. Under and grip the tape holding on. Alright, before we put the headlight on, let's figure out the resistors. So bring those. Bolts. Just pop these off. What we're gonna do is make sure I have them on the right way. Because you know sometimes you gotta flip them. Perfect. Yeah? Yep. Yep. Yeah, they're good. Alright, you can turn them off. Okay guys, so now that we got them on the right way, now that's when we install the resistors. What these are for is to fix that hyper flash. I don't know if you saw when you turn the turn signal on, it was just blinking really fast. These will help that so it blinks normal. You gotta be careful though, because these get really hot. Usually people mount them to their frame away from plastic. Since we don't have any screws, we're just gonna push them back here for now. Or maybe I'll try to see if I have any screws, but they'll be tucked away over here. You got two sides, one goes to your power and one goes to your ground. You see the little adapters it came with? The easy part is they came with these quick snaps. You just put one side in, and then you find the other side on this one, and you run it through here, and then you squish it, and that's it. So you don't have to be cutting wires. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and install the resistors. We're gonna start off with one first. We have two for each side. So we're gonna do one on each blue wire, and then we're gonna connect both ends to the ground wire. Now that we have one blue and one red inside, you wanna smash this little metal piece with some pliers, and that'll do is just bite down into the wire. You wanna tug on them, make sure nothing comes off. Then you can close it, clip to close. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the other blue wire, with the other resistor. There we go. Now they're both in. Do the same thing. Grab your pliers. Just squeeze down. And then you close the safety. Okay, now we got both of these installed. You want to grab both of these ends and just connect it to your ground, which is going to be your black wire running all the way to the pigtail. Right. So now we got both power, or both grounds going into this ground. Everything's good. We're gonna close this off. Now before we install it into the new housing, we're gonna go ahead and test them out. So Adriel's gonna go turn on the truck and we'll see if they flash or not. Hey, we did it. See how they're not flashing fast? That's when you know you did it. All right, we're good. Turn off. Sweet. And like I said before, guys, I'll put a link to where my boy Edgar picked up these switchbacks. I'll have the link down in my description, and then I'll put the link for the headlights that come with LED headlights. And I will have a 10% discount code for those, not for these, but I'll have them for the headlights. Just make sure you guys check the link down below in the description. Now let's go ahead and install the new headlight with the new LEDs. Okay, so we're gonna grab the new headlight. We're gonna leave the paper on here just for protection for now. We'll peel it off once it's installed, that way we don't scratch it. You know what we should have done first, actually? Connect those. Just put it on top for now. We're gonna connect the LEDs first. So it doesn't say which are which, so I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Oh wait, it tells you right here. Look, these are the 19905. So usually these are the high beams.
Yeah, H11s
are the low beams. Okay, so H11s, guys, are gonna be the low beams, and then 9005 are gonna be your high beams. So we'll connect those. They're just plug and play. Get rid of them stock headlights.
Break the clip.
And before we turn on, or before we install them into the truck, we're gonna do another test to make sure they turn on, because sometimes you gotta swap them around too.
This one, the clips are broken on it. Just sit on it.
Okay, so go ahead and turn on the truck, and I'll let you know when they turn on. The cool thing about these is they're not bulky. What's your low beam? Okay, that one turns on. Try your high beam. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Take off all that safety tape. Do you know which ones are which? So you can explain to the people on YouTube.
Daytime, high beam, turn signals.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Now we're gonna mount it back into the truck.
This clip on.
Oh yeah, the clip. You gotta get closer. There we go.
You know what I mean? Right here.
Okay, that should be good right there.
I don't think you can pull, I don't think you're able to pull them anywhere.
Right here.
There we go.
So see how we're pushing the resistors in the back so it doesn't touch anything. Sick. Alright guys, so we're pretty much going to replicate the same thing we did on this side, but to this side. I'm not going to show you guys that because we already did it, but here's the before and here's the after. Sheesh. Clean. Way better without the amber, huh? Alright, so we'll do a little YouTube magic and catch you guys back when we finish that side. Alright guys, we got this one on. Everything looking good. We can go ahead and pull this plastic off of this one. Clean. Here we go, guys. Final product. Got the headlights in. Remember, guys, I have a 10% off discount code for these headlights with LEDs. It's going to be all down in the description. Make sure to check them out. Something else I noticed is they do come with instructions. So even if you didn't really understand my video, they have their own step-by-step instructions of how to take off and install the headlights. So that's pretty awesome. Really glad they included that. Because to be honest, if it was by myself and the homie wasn't here, I would have not known how to do it. But since he knew how to do it, we already knew what we were doing. But here you go. Check them out, guys. Link down in the description. Link down in the description, and use my 10% off promo code for 10% off. What do you guys think?
Subscribe to Dope Stuff.
Perfect.